to buy pump token on Bybit. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, go and open your Bybit account. Make sure to log into your account. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to log into your account first, as I said before. And in the search bar, as you can see, now click here and type pump like that. And you will be able to find your token and click on this pair. Now, after that, wait a few seconds to be able to load this page. Now, wait a few seconds. It may take some time. Now, after that, what you need to do is as simple. Just select the buy option, not the sell. Now, click on limit here and now set the quantity that you want to buy of that token, as you can see. And here, you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. And after that, click on buy pump. And in a few seconds to a few minutes, your token it will add it to your account. Now, if you prefer to pay or to buy with markets option, just drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of the USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy pump. So this is how to buy pump token on Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.